No, Chibuka, one question. Lukwago, please. You will ask that other question next time he comes back on the space. Lukwago.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. Actually, Dr. Besigye, I credit you for that mobilization capacity, whereby way back some years you had mobilized us to the capacity of asking guns for you to deal with Mr. Museveni. I recall very well, way back in 2014, at the mayor's garden, where Ugandans asked for guns to deal with Mr. Museveni. But my only worry with you, Dr. Caesar Besigye, the inconsistency and the dishonesty in you. Okay? You told us no elections, no electoral reforms, no elections. All of a sudden, we saw you nominating yourself at Nambole. Okay? Now, when they tasked you to explain, you told us that we are going into this election by defiance. What was defiance became compliance. Doctor, what worried me most at the realm of the 2021 elections, I witnessed extrajudicial killings around your business entity. And doctor, why is it that you are obnobbing with the multinational companies that are funding Mr. Museveni, Total Energies? And what scope did Mr. Museveni use to second your wife and denied Dr. Olara Otumi?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Dr. Olara Otumi.
Yes, yes, Doctor, please respond to those. I think the rest we will revisit them some other time.
Yeah, first what my role will be and what can be done to, I think was from Mr. Muchivi. Was it Muchivi or Mukas? What was the name?
Lukwago.
No, Lukwago is the one I have ended with. I have just finished with. Who was the other one? The one who sounded like Ruhima. Who was saying, I am dishonest because I said no reforms, no elections, and then I went back to elections.
He had answered mine. The one was for Lukwago.
That's Lukwago. That's Lukwago.
Oh, that's Lukwago.
Yeah.
And the other one was, so I had interchanged them. The other one was who?
Chibuka.
Okay. Yeah, so Lukwago, very similar tone with Ruhima. It is perfectly all right for anyone to change their minds. It's not dishonesty. And it's only a fool who does not change their mind, depending on the circumstances that are available to you. And especially in politics. In fact, one of the things I have learned painfully in the political engagements that I have undertaken since the time I have informed you the last 40 years is never to say never. And so, yes, I think it was not just me saying no reforms, no elections. It was the inter-party cooperation. It was a group of political parties, and that was our slogan. So it was not just me. I believed in that, and I wanted it to be undertaken. But the circumstances
by then you were the face of the struggle.
Showed that we did not. This has been misinterpreted as if we were calling for a boycott. What we were calling for has never been a boycott of elections, but to stop the elections. That the people of Uganda refuse the junta to organize fraudulent elections. The people of Uganda have that capacity, but they must be they must be focused on that. They must be organized for it, and so on and so forth, which I think we failed to do under the IPC, and the election came, and then we had